Well, it's great to be with you today, and I appreciate you inviting me and have an opportunity to speak and to share with you some powerful ideas. So I'd like to talk in this section about estate planning and specifically the family trust or the revocable family trust. A lot of people who I come to see me think incorrectly about their family trust. They think that it's going to solve all kinds of things that it doesn't do and that it doesn't promise. Give you an example. You don't have to have a family trust in order to avoid probate. You can actually do that through beneficiary clauses on IRAs, 401ks, life insurance, and those types of things. And for your banking accounts, you could do it as a payable on death, POD. Or for your brokerage account that might be in joint name with rights of survivorship, you could change that over to a transfer on death provision so that it flows through to beneficiaries. So there are options outside of the family trust. So what does the family trust do? It doesn't do asset protection. Some people think that it protects the assets. It doesn't. It has privacy. And privacy is an important thing so that you don't see going through a standard will. But remember, you can also have privacy from your beneficiary clauses. So that's important to know that it doesn't do that. And it also doesn't do end-of-life planning. End-of-life planning, that would be things like Medicaid planning or VA benefits planning. And so Medicaid, if a mom's in the nursing home and it's costing $20,000, $30,000 a month, going to blow through the assets, all those assets are going to be gone, and then Medicaid will start picking up. Whereas if you had a end-of-life planning, you could actually have an irrevocable trust that's Medicaid compliant. That would provide that dollars are set aside and now you're not blowing through all of those assets. It'd have a 5-year look back on that. Currently there's a 3-year look back on setting up a VA trust. And so VA benefits for wartime heroes and their surviving spouses, you can have $127,000 plus a house and car. By the way, the small print on this is you can have a house, but the day you move out of your house, it counts as an asset. So there's some timing and planning. I've helped a lot of people in this area, dozens of families. If this is a conversation that you weren't really sure about how your family trusts work or you were thinking about doing one, I'm not an attorney, but I've had 3 decades of conversations around this subject, and I'd be happy to talk with you about that. So you could reach out to me. Thank you.